Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gillani. No, these are not Apple's Airpods Pro, which cost you $250. These are i100000 TWS Pro, which will cost you for just $49 to $53 depending on which package you choose. Hello, this is Malik Gillani. You're watching Malik G Reviews. Thank you to the vendor for sending me the review unit of their flagship product. The box is quite similar to Apple Airpods Pro. Some key features are mentioned on the box. Frequency range is 5 to 40,000 Hz. Weight of charging box along with earbuds is 47.6 grams, while earbuds alone weighs around 3.3 grams. Firstly, the box contains the user manual, which is in Mandarin and English. The i100000 Pro, which we'll check in a while. And a lightning cable. Size and the dimension of i100000 Pro is exactly like Apple Airpods Pro. Just a little difference is that the hinge of the charging case is a bit thicker and neither the earbuds or the case has any text or serial number printed like Apple Airpods Pro. Earbuds are held by magnets. The lid is also magnetic and it's quite strong. In terms of sound, it is 85% similar to Apple Airpods Pro, while dimensions wise, it is 1-on-1 copy. LED indicator for charging is in the front, while lightning connector port is at the bottom. Battery life is around 4 hours, while it can be charged with the charging box 3 to 4 times. It has no pressure sensor but smart touch controls. Touch controls are as follows: tap 1 time for play or pause, tap 2 times for previous song, tap 3 times for next song. A long tap on the sensor wakes up the voice assistant. You cannot control the volume with the touch sensors. You can also change the name of the earbuds from the Bluetooth options. It has a real-time GPS positioning tracking chip just like the real AirPods Pro. It has hi-fi sound with intelligent noise reduction. It has no actual mic-based noise reduction like Apple AirPods Pro, but the air tip seal is quite good and it gives you a good isolation from outside noise. It has upgraded microphone from the previous versions, which makes your call experience better without any disturbance of cracking. You can use either the left or right earbud alone also, while keeping the other one in the charging case. There is no latency while watching the video on your phone. It has 2 charging options. You can either charge it with the lightning cable or it can be charged wirelessly. Press the Bluetooth discovery button on the charging case to detect the earbuds on the iPhone. It has a new H1 chip which pops up on the phone screen and gives you the real capacity of charging box and both the earbuds separately, but it works on iOS 13.2 and above. It has in-ear detection sensor. If you take out any of the earbud from your ear, it will automatically pause the audio or video playing on your phone. Put the earbud in your ear again to resume what was playing. Connecting it to the Android is also real simple. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone, open the lid of i100000 Pro, tap on the Airpods Pro and it will be paired. This is also a one-time process. After this, every time you want to connect it to your phone, just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and open the lid of i100000 Pro and it will be connected automatically. Whether you are an iOS user or an Android user, it is compatible with both. The show is not over yet. It comes with some extra pair of goodies. A protective pouch to carry all your stuff together. A soft silicone protective cover case. An anti-loss rubber cable which is flexible. And a pair of silicone anti-slip air tips. While this is a very innovative product in its own league with great quality sound and features, we can expect few features to be included in the upcoming versions of i100000 Pro like the pressure sensors and the volume controls. If you want to buy this product, please do so from the link provided in the description below.